Okay, so the first step to remove this cover is to actually undo this little Phillips head screw just here. So if you just angle the camera down, you should be able to see that. So all you need for that is a little stubby screwdriver. Get that in and get that undone. Okay, so that's that screw out. And then let me put the camera down and I'll show you how to pull this off, because that's it, that's literally all you need to remove. Okay, next what you have to do is pinch in the middle and pull it up and out. Okay, so you can see on the back, got a number of clips across the front, which goes across the top of the dash, and then these clip into the back. So when you're pulling out and up, they're what you're trying to pull out. So you could get a little plastic trim tool if it's a bit tricky and doesn't come out as easy as mine does. Just behind here to sort of lever it up slightly and pull away. So I know I've seen in the past where people have used like a hook tool and just put it in and pulled. Whatever works for you, just be gentle that you don't damage any of your plastics. But that's to get that back. And then to refit, it's super easy. Just line all your clips back up, push into place, put your screw in, and that's all done. So that was a super easy video. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. That really helps the channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys. Threaded bits, and there's actually little holes on the top.